Another day and another complaint about the World T20. Question: how can we be having a T20 fiesta in the Caribbean, a format of cricket that is characterized by evening into night games in a party and fun atmosphere? In this World Cup, the biggest games are being played in the middle day sun hot, one of the hottest summers ever. And this is all because the world governing body of cricket, the ICC, is catering to the massive and powerful Indian audience at the obvious chagrin and detriment of the local fans who go to the stadium to watch the games. So this is technically a sellout. Think about it. Which other live sporting spectacle does this? World Cup football, no matter what country or continent, is hosting the NBA, the NFL, Grand Slam tennis. These events are all scheduled with local time convenience. Even the same World T20, when it's not in the Caribbean, if people in other parts of the world are interested, they must get up out of their bed and watch it. But as usual, we are sellout, so we sell it. See that? We sell it, but we sell it.